Metal extrusion machine for aluminum rod, wire. COOLDO-CDOCAST metal extrusion machine is applicable to the extrusion of various specifications of rods, wires, and bars. Multiple metals are applicable, such as silver, copper, aluminum, tin, lead, etc. The operation of the machine is automatic, and after each extrusion, the billet will be reloaded and start the next extrusion. Equipped with a vertical take-up machine to make the take-up process more convenient. It can also extrude multiple rods or wires simultaneously, and is equipped with multiple take-up drums to improve efficiency.